Now let's look at this. If you are given any t sign, but the variable is double, triple, or 1 over something, fraction, whatever, as long as what is here is not exactly x or theta, whatever, how do you solve that kind of question? Let's start with this first one. You can see here we have here sine 2x. We are asked to find the integral of this. Look at this. Because it's not straightforward, so let u be equals to 2x. So we say du over dx, you agree with me, is 2. Why are we doing this? Because I want to replace this guy with something u. So I will make the s the subject of formula. You agree with me, we now have something to replace this guy. So now we can say sine this 2s is already u. Dx now is du over 2. We can bring this over 2 outside to now have sine du. So what is the integration of sine? Is simply minus cosine, cos u, then plus c. Now that we have done this, now all we need to do is to replace u with 2x. You agree with me? This becomes 1 over 2 cos 2x plus c. This is the answer. Okay? Now, for this, that is cos 3. We have this as cos 3x dx. To solve this, let u be equals to 3x. Du over dx is equals to 3. So du over 3 equals to dx. We cannot say this because what is 3s is u. What is ds? ds is du over 3. Then we bring this out, cos u du. What is cos u? The integration of cos u is sine u plus c. What is u again? U is 3x. This is the answer. Okay? Finally, we go for tan 4x. Find the integral of tan 4x dx. Again, let u be equals to 4x. Du over dx is equals to 4. Okay? So it means we can come here now to say du over 4 equals to dx. We replace this by saying tan, in place of 4x we put u, then we put du over 4 to replace this x with these guys. Now we can say 1 over 4 tan u du. What is tan u again? The integration of tan, simply for this one, is ln sec u. Ln sec u. Then we put plus c. If we open this up now, have this ln sec. What is u? U is 4x. 4x plus c. Alternatively, we also established, you have been watching my video, that what? Instead of sec, you can say is ln minus cos s. That is now supposed to be cos u. I will put here now 4x plus c, which you can write as minus 1 over 4 ln cos 4x plus c. What you now discover now is that actually, if we are asked to find sine s, the integral of sine s, we simply say what? Minus cos x. But when you have a different value, you will still say the same thing, but whatever that is there, divide by that thing. Divide by 2. The only difference is divide by 2 here. Here is divided by 3. That's what makes it different. Why here is divided by 4. But this one still remains. Although this variable has changed to triple, you still maintain the format, just say divide by the visitor, because 3 now is visiting. Normally it's supposed to be sine x. Sine x will give us minus cos x. It's now sine 7x, for instance. Still maintaining minus cos 7x, but 1 over 7. Get it? It's like here now we have 1 over 1. You have cos 6x, for instance. Is this sine 6x? Because of this 6 that is a visitor, you divide by it. You get the logic? That is how to tackle this kind of questions. Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.